When recovering deleted files or dealing with a failing drive, there's one golden rule: don't risk making it worse, and back it up first. And that's why data recovery experts always recommend creating a byte-to-byte backup first before attempting any scans or repairs. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it using Disk Drill 6, both the super easy way that anyone can follow, along with a few more advanced options for professionals who want full control. A byte-to-byte backup, also known as a disk image or clone, is a sector-by-sector copy of your entire storage device. It includes all files and partitions, as well as any damaged or hidden areas as well. And it is the safest way to preserve your data, especially when the drive is corrupted or it's starting to fail. And actually performing this action is pretty simple. So here's how you can do it. First, launch Disk Drill. Then head to the Byte-to-byte Backup tab located in the left panel of the screen. Next, in the center of the screen, you'll see a list of all the available drives. Select the one you need to back up, and click the Create Backup button on the right. Next, a pop-up window will appear. Here you can rename your backup, select the type of image file, and all of your format options, which we recommend keeping those as default. However, you need to select the location where you'd like to save the backup file. Then once you're done, click Save, and Disk Drill will begin the backup process. While Disk Drill thoroughly backs up your drive, you will be presented with visualized progress of the backup process in real time, where healthy blocks are shown in green, and problematic sectors, if any, are shown in red. Disk Drill will try to quickly skip over problematic blocks to rapidly create a complete backup, and then reattempt to read damaged blocks to retrieve all the data. Then just wait until the process completes. And note, this may take some time depending on the size and condition of your drive. So now that we've got our backup started, this is a good time for me to tell you about 3 helpful tips to better improve performance and results. First, if the source is an SSD, act fast, because the trim command can wipe deleted blocks in minutes. We advise you to put your drive into read-only mode and then backup. Second, we recommend connecting external drives via a USB 2.0 port because it provides better reliability. And third, when working with the damaged storage on Macs, we recommend booting Disk Drill in recovery mode and running it with the following command. Okay, now once our backup is successfully done, you can now power down and disconnect the drive we just backed up and start to work with the copy instead. Now you can locate your backup by clicking Show Results in Finder, but for now we can click on the Home button to get back to the main Disk Drill window tab. From here we can now start working with our copy of the drive. And to do so, you need to first select the Storage Devices tab on the left bar. Second, at the bottom left corner you will see a blue Attach Disk Image button. Click on that and head to the location where the backup was saved. Select it and open it. Next, your byte-to-byte copy will appear in the list of available devices. And finally, with our backup in hand, you can access the existing data on the drive or recover what you lost. To do so, just select the backup from the list and click on the Search for Lost Data button. So that's it. That's the super easy, straightforward method of how to back up a drive and start recovering from it. However, for professionals that need a bit more flexible customization, Disk Drill offers hidden settings that you can fine-tune for even better backup performance. And you can edit such parameters as backup skip blocks. In a range of 0 to 128, this is the number of blocks to automatically skip after encountering a bad block. Backup block size. This is a value in bytes that must align with your drive's sector size. Backup retry count out of 0 to 10 is the number of additional attempts to read a bad block while backing up. Setting to 0 means Disk Drill will perform only one read attempt. Now to locate these hidden settings on a Windows computer, we have to edit the registry. So first, make sure Disk Drill is closed and not running in the background. Next, press the Windows and R key, type regedit, and press Enter to enter the registry. Next, in the registry editor, navigate to this location. Next, right-click, select New DWORD 32-bit value, and name it either Backup Skip Blocks, Backup Block Size, or Backup Retry Count according to whichever setting you want to modify. Next, double-click the newly created value and enter your desired setting from the range specified above. And finally, if you'd like to undo any changes you've made, simply right-click the newly created item in the registry editor and select Delete. Now to adjust these hidden settings on a Mac, first make sure Disk Drill is completely closed and not running in the background. Next, open the terminal app and enter this command, changing value 1 to one of the setting names, backup skip blocks, backup block size, or backup retry count, and value 2 with the desired parameter listed earlier. And finally, if you'd like to remove these settings, enter the following command in terminal. Replace value 1 with a specific setting name that you wish to delete. And that's it. Whether you're a regular user or an advanced professional, don't hesitate. Create a backup and protect your data with Disk Drill.